Hi guys!
First time naman naka-vlog guys.
Wala mo kabalo nga Bisaya, I mean
Among pangalan kay si Lorraine.
Princess.
Mag-igagaw ni guys. Basta dula dahil ni Roblox guys. Bye-bye! I'm so in love with you. Now we should have done it for love. At ang hirap ko rin kung sa di ay patay! Patay! My God! Night 1! Halok na patay na ikaw. Isang! Gitawag ka! Gitawag ka pag clock in! Oh! Hello, new employee. The job is simple. Make sure to unload the food boxes into kitchen, room up, and mop the floors. Also, the customer is always right up. Please join okay. Clock in, clock in. Clock in, clock in. Sama niya ay. Clock in. Patay, dili ka sa customer, mga adlok pa ba kayong mga customer, dili mga day. Uy, ito naman, diba? Hadlok no. Karin, hadlok no. Hey there. Hi. Is your first day, whatever I want by as well? Okay. Okay na lang. Ay, sila there. Yay. Don't be forever. Lang ako, patag boxes. Sorry, dahil. Mana, sandali. Kuha na the boxes. That's it. Wait, sinagari na ito. Wait na, ano ka, ano. Sunod. Grab boxes. Diba? Hey! Sit lang. Uno will forgot. So, diba? Restock lagi. Pag restock, I buy this. Uy. Wait lang. Naguga pa, ani. Uy, nakakuha naman ko. Ibuga, uy, ngit-ngit tayo. Basta, dali lang. What? Ang boss, pinapalaw ko.